Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Welcome to the online classes. I am Ms. Muskan Fatma from The Educators Pre-Society Campus, Shahidadpur. Hello, dear students of grade 2. Today is your second lecture. The name of your book is Miracles of Science, Science ke Karishmat. The name of your unit number 1 is Human Body. Human Body मतलब इंसानी जिस्म. So बेटा today's our topic is about skin. Skin के बारे में हमारा आज का topic. Do you know our body has many parts? Our each part has a different role. हर part का एक अलग काम है, एक अलग role है. Do you know that some parts of our body are visible and some are invisible? Means some parts we can see and some we cannot see. Now which parts we can see? Our eyes, nose, hands, skin, feet, hairs, these all parts of our body we can see, and the parts we cannot see are brain, heart, lungs, stomach, kidneys, etc. We cannot see our brain, we cannot see our heart, we cannot see our lungs. These all are inside our body, that's why we cannot see them. So today's topic is about skin, the part which we can see. Do you know that skin is our largest organ of our body? How it's the largest organ? Because because our body is fully covered with skin from top to bottom, from our head to our feet. Our body is covered with our skin. There's not even a single part of our body which is not covered with our skin. So what does skin does? Skin covers our body, and besides covering our bodies, it also gives us a sense of touch. How? For suppose that when something is touched to our skin, means when we take ice in our hands, how we know that it's cold? Through the sense of touch, through our skin, because our skin has sense of touch, and then it recognizes that this is ice and this is cold. When we touch something that's smooth, how we know? Because of sense of touch. When we touch a wall, we know that it's not smooth. How we know? Through the sense of touch. Okay. Plus it gives us it also protects us from germs. The skin also protects us from germs. How? Let's suppose that when we have some wound on our skin is damaged from that part, na? And then when it is damaged, then we have pain and our skin is damaged. So we go to doctor and we say we take medicines for that the skin could be settled again, because if it could not be settled, then if it could not be repaired, then we will get germs. Okay, with the help of skin we can feel something, that if it is soft or hot or cold or rough, smooth, soft, everything we feel is by skin, because skin is a sense of touch. Like there are some examples there that kittens feel soft. Do you ever do you ever take a kitten in your hands? How soft it feels, and how we know that it feels soft? Through our sense of touch, through our skin. Cactus, it's a plant found in deserts. It feels rough, and how we know that it feels rough? Because of our sense of touch, because of our skin. How we know that fire is hot and we have to be careful from fire? Through the sense of touch, through our skin. We cannot take ice in our hands for 1 hour or half hour. Why? Because it feels so cold. And how it feels cold? Through the skin, through the sense of touch. Okay. Now we have to स्किन क्या होती है? स्किन हमारी बॉडी का सबसे लार्जेस्ट ऑर्गन होता है. ठीक है, वो हमारी बॉडी को कवर करती है. कैसे लार्जेस्ट ऑर्गन होती है? क्योंकि हमारे सर से लेकर पाँव तक सारी पूरी बॉडी पर स्किन होती है. आपका कोई भी हिस्सा ऐसा नहीं है जिस पर स्किन ना हो. ठीक है, और स्किन हमें सेंस ऑफ टच भी देती है. स्किन हमें जर्म से भी बचाती है. स्किन से ही हमें पता चलता है कि कौन सी चीज़ हॉट है, कोल्ड है, सॉफ्ट है, रफ है, ये सब क्या है, सेंस ऑफ टच की वजह से, स्किन की वजह से पता चलता है। जैसे हम कभी आग में हाथ डालते हैं, क्यों नहीं डालते? क्योंकि हमें पता होता है कि उससे हमारा हाथ जल जाएगा, हमें गर्म फील होगा। कैसे पता चलता है? स्किन की वजह से, सेंस ऑफ टच की वजह से। अगर हमारा सेंस ऑफ टच ना हो, स्किन हमारी डैमेज हो गई हो कहीं से, या फिर सेंस ऑफ टच ख़राब हो गया हो, तो फिर हमें पता नहीं चलेगा। फिर चाहे हम आग में हाथ डाल लें या फिर बर्फ़ को अपने हाथ में लेकर रख दें फॉर एन आवर और 2 आवर्स, हमें कुछ भी फील नहीं होगा। क्यों? क्योंकि हमारा सेंस ऑफ टच ही काम नहीं कर रहा होता। लेकिन ऐसा नहीं है, हर किसी का सेंस ऑफ टच होता है, स्किन के थ्रू होता है। ठीक है, स्किन क्या है? सेंस ऑफ टच है। और इसीलिए हमें पता चलता है कि आइस जो है वो कूल है, कोल्ड है, ठंडी है, किटन सॉफ्ट फील करती है, इस तरह से। ठीक है, ये सब सेंस ऑफ टच की वजह से फील होता है। ओके, सो नाउ लेट्स गो थ्रू द रीडिंग। ओपन योर पेज नंबर 2, स्किन। Our body has many parts. Each part of the body has a different role. Some parts we can see like eyes, nose, hands, skin, etc. Some parts of the body we cannot see like brain, heart, lungs, stomach, etc. Number 1 is skin. Skin is the largest organ of our body. In addition to covering our bodies, it gives us a sense of touch. It also protects us from germs. With the help of skin, we can feel if something is soft or rough or hot or cold. There are some examples given that kittens feel soft, cactus feels rough, fire feels hot, ice feels cold. Okay, so your homework is to remember and understand which is the largest organ of our body. This is your homework. What can we do with the skin on our hands? This is present on page number 3. These are the 2 questions. You have to do them. Okay, ये 2 क्वेश्चन है पेज नंबर 3 पर। आपको पहले लेक्चर को अच्छे से सुनना है, फिर बुक को पढ़ना है अच्छे से। जब आप पढ़ेंगे तो आपको इन दोनों क्वेश्चंस के आंसर खुद ही मिल जाएंगे। ओके, इनके आंसर्स फाइंड करें और लिखकर ग्रुप में सेंड करेंगे, मैं चेक करूँगी। ओके, थैंक यू सो मच।